Now, to premise this off, this was just a bike ride to go see cows. That's right, the non-human kind. And this was near a place where I used to live a while back, and I wanted to go check it out just because I was just having to turn that way, and I didn't want to go around a certain intersection. So as I was riding up, it's going past the old dog farm. Yes, the old dog farm they used to have here. And then as you go up around the corners where I was turning, I go, oh wow, it is really neat looking. It's actually like they actually landscaped the heck out of the place, and I saw mounds which I've never seen before. When I lived around there, I thought there was a church in that exact area. It wasn't a church, it was a giant gravestone with a cross on it. Well, that's not there anymore. And so this time around, I went back and I went back again and saw even more. The whole place is a graveyard there. It's absolutely insanity. I didn't know that. That was so interesting. And so with this, there are a few things that I caught that were, the voices were the weird ones. That's actually the ones that I caught right there. Then the other portion of it, when it comes to the Spectre thing that the SLS was catching, I'm not so sure about that. I really don't know. So that's kind of up in the air on that. But the only one thing that was real, like not human, but animal-wise, was I think it was a tanuki or a benjo wookie, maybe a deer. It ran. I wish I got it on camera. I saw it and I thought it picked it up, but that was a really cool thing when you hear me say, oh, I think that's a deer. But other than that, this was a really neat place to go check out, and it's very old, very, very ancient. So please enjoy, and let me know what you think because I'm curious myself. Beautiful place. It's quiet too. I hope it stays quiet. I really do. It's beautiful. Yeah. Just paying my respects. Wow. Wow. I didn't know. Oh, I'm so glad someone good. Rest in peace. Okay. Big respect. Good stuff. Okay. I didn't know this was here. Okay. Glad I know. So, how long ago has this been? Hmm. Okay. I'm just really glad someone is taking care of it. That's good. That's really, really good. It's really good. Well, yesterday was All Souls Day. And pay respect. I hope someone came by and paid respect. Hope they did. That's interesting. Okay, that was interesting. It's so loud here. I just wish it wasn't so loud. Yeah. I'm just very, very glad. Able to. This is a beautiful place. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful stone. It's a beautiful headstone. It's very, very beautiful. I can tell it's very old. It's very old because it's written in Chinese. It's not written in Hangul. Yeah, it's very old. Okay. Yep, I will leave you be. It's all good, man. It's a very beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for letting me visit. I'm just going to leave you all be. Rest in peace. It's a beautiful place. Okay. Sorry it's noisy. They're always doing some construction here. Okay, I gotta go now. Okay, bye-bye. There's bugs everywhere. A lot of bugs. So neat here because I remember seeing. I'm glad I cleared this out. It looks really nice now. Yeah, just very glad it's cleared out now because it's much more peaceful. Because before this, well, I should say, this at one point was much cleared out. It's grown a lot over the years. That's really neat here. That's me. That's just a big tree. Stop here again. Okay, back again. Hello everybody, peace be with you. Just here to visit. So that's my hand here. Get back again. how that sounds here. I'm just kind of curious if any of this existed out here. Terrible. Why do they do that? Wow. It's a deer. Is that a deer? Is that I think that was a deer. Wow, that's so really beautiful. So the headstones give a signature. All right, just wanted to pay respects and check this place out. It's a neat area. Yeah, loud noises again.